In my Robotic Process Automation Overview course, you'll discover that modern RPA tools are very powerful and can be used by non-programmers to develop software robots capable of automating almost any enterprise computer process traditionally performed manually by humans. As RPA takes hold in corporations, leaders are already seeking people who can use flowcharts to document enterprise processes spanning multiple technologies and boundaries, and then use RPA tools and automation best practices to create effective software robots to perform those tasks. For a human to provide the most value in an RPA environment, he or she must have a combination of business and technical skills so they can help automate processes across multiple system boundaries, including email, documents, databases, websites, mainframes, and APIs. If you've primarily been doing manual computer work and you find technical concepts like databases, APIs, and basic programming to be intimidating, this course is for you. The course will also benefit aspiring and junior automation developers who may have only automated web browsers in the past and don't have much exposure to other aspects of distributed architecture or basic programming concepts. My goal in this course is to provide dead simple explanations and demonstrations of foundational technical concepts to which most office workers have never been exposed. I'll begin the course with an introduction to flowcharts because they are the backbone of robotic process automation, and anyone participating in the process should be flowchart fluent. Next, I'll provide definitions, demonstrations, and context surrounding many target systems for robotic process automation, and several different document types that modern RPA tools can use to store and retrieve information. Then we'll move on and we'll discuss several methods RPA tools can use to type and read information from different kinds of systems. Finally, we'll get into some entry-level programming concepts, including data types, operators, control flow, and object-oriented design, because all my RPA tool-specific courses and any successful RPA work will depend on several basic elements of programming. The future is upon us, and automation is at the center of it all. If you've always wanted to increase your technical skills so you can add greater value in the workplace and increase your earning power, this is absolutely the course for you. So click the button to take this course and I'll meet you inside.